guest here. She's going to tell you a little bit about herself.
Hello, everybody. Thank you so much for coming. I'm an artist. I'm a starting artist. I paint, I draw, I illustrate, I do huge murals. I do whatever is artistic, whatever you need artistically. I do weddings. I also do like for your receptions. If you have like a reception, if you have a party, you want a painting party, call me. You want, art and wine party. Painting parties are the best, especially when there is some wine involved. So I also do art therapy. So not a lot of people know about art therapy. Art therapy is actually a way to heal yourself, and it's just creative expression. And I do any type of canvas art. So if you have a space in your home, I can come over and I can tell you, okay, there is these colors that are around, and I can just go ahead and create something specially for you, something unique. And my prices are really good. I know, I do murals for patios. So that's like right now, I don't know if you have like what's on social media. Everybody wants a mural in their patio, especially now that spring is coming and summer is coming next to your pool if you have a pool. And if you have kids, kids love kids murals. So you can call me for kids murals. I can do any type of art. If you are an author and you need an illustration for your book, just let me know. So if you like art, if you like color, if you're bored of, we have been in our home with COVID, and you're bored of watching the same wall and the same colors, and you need a little bit of color and a little bit of joy in your life, just call me. I'll go ahead and I can look at your area, if it's a business, if it's a home, and create a special artwork that will illuminate your area, that will make it more beautiful, more attractive, more joyful. Also, if you have a business and you are seeing that the people that work for you are a little down, and a little sad, a little tired, they need some color in their life. You need some color in your life. So just let me know. I'll go ahead and paint something colorful and beautiful for you. So there's something that gives you this vibration that you want to be in. It gives you inspiration. It gives you something beautiful. And when you have something beautiful, when something inspires you, when you have something in front of you that inspires you, you are inspired. You are energetic. And colors have a lot of psychological reaction in yourself and in everybody that looks at the art. So if you need any of these consultations, if you need colors for your business and you need somebody to come and look at your area, color, design, illustration, painting parties, face painting. If you want a face painter, hey, call me. Murals, whatever you want, whatever you think is something artistic, please just let me know. And follow me in my Facebook is Laura Thurbon Art, Thurbon, and I am at Laura Muralist. And also go to my website. I have two websites. One is for art classes. Oh, by the way, I also teach art. So art lessons and murals is laurathurbon.com. And for my store, I have an online store. You can go to laurathurbon.net. So thank you very much for your attention. Thank you, and I hope that you had a great, great time right now. So come and visit, come and look, watch me paint. Thank you.